this is rush hour.
Hour.
What?
Rush hour.
Yeah, what I said.
Rush hour. It's no longer just an hour anymore. It's more like two and a half.
Broke down. This one is broke down, or the match. Oh, this match each other. Right? I didn't pay attention. And this one also, the car was.
On the side of the
My Lord Jesus. That's
well, they almost made it to the river.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Only the fast drivers in Alberta.
Huh? Maybe he drove fast, that's why he went there, honey.
Well, I give him an A for effort because that's the fairways in there.
Huh?
I'll give him an A for